Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, the News Network. Arsenal takes title race with Man City to final day of Premier League season. Anything other than a win against United for Michael Arteta team could have seen City clinch the title with victory at Tottenham on Tuesday. Big news update: Manchester, England, the Premier League title race will go to the last day of the season after Arsenal returned to the top of the standing with a 1-0 win at Manchester United on Sunday. Leandro Trossard struck in the 20th minute at Old Trafford to ensure Arsenal will take defending champion Manchester City of the final round of the game next Sunday. Thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel.